Large PDF files can be difficult to share, upload, or store efficiently. Fortunately, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC provides powerful tools that allow you to reduce file size while maintaining document quality. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of compressing a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and show you how to customize optimization settings for the best possible results. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to sign in with your credentials to access all available features. After signing in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where you'll find documents you've recently worked with. From the list, select the PDF file that you want to compress and open it in your workspace. With your file open, look over to the left side of the interface where you'll find various tools available in Adobe Acrobat. Navigate to All Tools to access the complete set of features offered by the software. Next, click View More to expand the full toolkit. This will reveal additional options that may not be immediately visible. Among the available tools, locate Compress a PDF and click on it. This is the primary feature used to reduce file size of your document. For greater control over the compression process, we'll use the Advanced Optimization settings. In the left panel, click Advanced Optimization. This opens a detailed menu where you can customize how images and other elements within the PDF are handled. First, navigate to the Color Images section. Locate the Downsample option and click the drop-down menu beside it. Select Off to keep your color images at their original resolution. Then move to the compression setting directly below and choose Retain Existing. This preserves the current compression method instead of applying a new one. Next, repeat the same process for grayscale images. Set downsample to off and compression to retain existing. These settings help maintain the original quality of your document while still allowing optimization of other PDF elements. Once you've configured all the settings, click OK to apply them. Adobe Acrobat will begin processing your PDF based on the selected optimization options. After the process is complete, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save the optimized PDF. Select your preferred folder, and if you'd like, enter a new file name. Once you're satisfied with the save location and file name, click Save. Your optimized PDF will be stored in the selected location using the settings you've configured. And that's it. You now know how to compress and optimize PDF files in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC while maintaining control over image quality and document settings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional Adobe Acrobat tips and productivity tricks.